For generations, people used to be obsessed with this guy. Now it seems to be Dawn dish soap. So the big question is there actually a big difference? So I've actually done a fair amount of research on it. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you the differences that I found, but I would also love to hear from you. Like, some people are absolutely obsessed with Dawn dish soap, and everyone has their own dish soap that they love. I wanna hear from you. What is the reason behind it? Why do you love it so much compared to other brands? So as you see here, I'm doing a quick little test, but I've tested both these products on home deep cleans, oven cleaning, so many different things. I'm just doing this here to show you. It does lift grease from olive oil pretty quickly, which is nice. Both products deliver a pretty good result here. I will say Dawn performs a little better when it comes to heavy grease, but that's about it. So after having tested both products on many different cleaning tasks and having done lots of research, realistically, it only comes down to a few little things. One, Dawn dish soap seems to clean a tad bit better when it comes to really tough grease. And as far as the skin goes, Dawn dish soap is a little harsher, and the Palmolive actually moisturizes your skin a little bit compared to the other one that dries it out. So that's really the big difference that I have found. Now, you might have some other differences. Let me know which one you choose and the reason for it. I'd love to hear from you.